you fail, I will turn you into miserable seaweed forever!
Let's go put these in the treasure chest.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
My treasure! It's gone! Did you steal it?
No, not me.
Then who did?
I don't know.
Think harder, or you'll become a seaweed.
Fizzy!
So it was Fizzy who stole it.
Oh, no, I was just asking for his help. Wait a second. Fizzy! Can I have your help, please?
You'll never find me. Over here. Nope. Where are you? Ooh, over here. I think I got you.
Let me go!
Ursula!
You're a thief!
Wait, no I'm not.
You stole my treasure! Thief!
Wait, that's not fair! Fizzy wouldn't steal anything!
I don't believe you. As a punishment, I'm going to turn both of you into seaweed.
Wait! Maybe we could help you get it back! Yeah! With a test drop game! Time for some fizzy magic! Fizzy, wizzy, bo busy bop! Quick, Miss Hands! We need a hand!
Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. Hey, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. And uh-oh, what's Ursula doing here?
You, my dear, better get all of my treasure back, or I will turn you into shivering seaweed. Got it?
Uh-oh, I don't want to be seaweed. Time to drop that disc. Here we go. All right, it landed on blue. Quick, Miss Hands, open it. Let's see what's inside the blue. Whoa, that sounds super noisy. I wonder what's inside. Oh my goodness! Look at all of this treasure. We've got some beautiful pink, orange, blue, green, and another pink gems, and some amazing gold coin treasure.
That's the best thing ever! Can I keep one of the gems, please?
No!
Huh? Alright, what about one of the gold coins?
Never, you insignificant thing! All the treasure is mine! Got it? Mine!
Alright, keep your seashells on. Okay, Miss Hands, time to drop that disc!
Alright, Phoebe. I wonder where this one's gonna land. Alright, it landed in the black box. Quick, Miss Hands, open it! Alright, Flounder. Let's see what's inside the black box. Oh, I think I can hear something. Ooh, what's this? Whoa! Oh my goodness! It's a slithery snake! Whoa! Oh no, he's going away! Bye, Mr. Snake! Whew! That was scary! Whoa! Look at all of these gold coins! The snake must have been guarding them!
Good job, Miss Hands! I wonder if we could get a color from the other side. Time to drop that desk!
All right, it landed in the red box. I wonder what's inside. Whoa, that's pretty noisy. Whoa! Look, it's a trident. That's so cool. And we've got a super pretty silver sparkly starfish. And look, a gold starfish too. Wow, a pretty purple sparkly shell. That's gonna be awesome in the treasure chest.
Ha ha! My trident! At last I have it back.
Oh dear, I think Ursula's getting pretty mad. Quick, Miss Hands, we better drop that desk! I think you're right, Flounder. All right, let's see where this one lands.
Awesome sauce! It landed on yellow, just like Flounder! Quick, Miss Hands, open it!
Okay, I wonder what's inside. I can't hear anything. Oh, no! Oh, that's cold and super slimy. Oh, no! It's some super duper sticky, wobbly jelly slime. But wait, I see something. It's a little turtle. Oh, hey, Mr. Turtle. Bet you were all sticky in there. Oh, look, it's some keys. I wonder what that's for.
It's for my treasure chest, silly. Now keep going. I need all my treasure back now!
Oh dear, looks like we better drop that disc. Perfect! It landed on the green box. Oh, can you hear that? Sounds like lots of things are inside. Come on, let's find out. Oh no! Ooh, there's something big and hairy in here. Whoa! Oh my goodness! It's a wobbly, jiggly spider! Whoa! Oh no! Whoa! Whoa! That was super scary. I wonder what the spider was guarding. Wow! Look at that! That's awesome! Let's add this to the treasure. Whoa! Look how much treasure we've got already. But uh-oh, we've only got one box left.
All right, we did it! Quick, open it, Miss Hands!
You're right, we did. Time to find out what's inside the orange box. I can't hear anything. Can you? Whoa! What's this? Oh my goodness! It looks like a really old map.
At last, my treasure map! You will help me find the buried treasure!
But Ursula, we already won all your treasure back. Yeah, you meanie!
What did you just call me?
Well, you were being mean, so I just called you a meanie.
This'll teach you a lesson. Ha!
No! Change her back!
Only if you help me find the treasure chest.
Fine, I'll help, as long as you promise to bring Phoebe back.
Fine.
All right, Fizzy. Well, according to this map, it looks like the treasure is buried over here. But uh-oh, that's a long and difficult journey.
I've gotta do it! I've gotta save Phoebe! Come on, let's go!
I'm getting tired now.
Keep going, or your sister will be seaweed forever!
Oh! Wait! I think I see the treasure! Look!
Good. Now dig!
Uh-oh. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
All right. Oh, that's a lot of gloopy slime. Uh-oh, it's locked. What are we gonna do?
Quick, use the keys from the disc drop.
Oh yeah, great idea, Fizzy. All right, I hope these work. Yay, we did it. I wonder what's inside. Whoa, so much treasure.
Ha ha! At last, my beautiful treasure is all mine!
Ursula, remember your promise? You have to turn Phoebe back, now!
Oh, fine. Seaweed is now. Seaweed is gone. I'll see you a little later on. Ha 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 ha!
Awesome sauce! I'm me again!
Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time!
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, go busy box.